welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be re-uploaded because I made a whoopsie last time and didn't have my mic on, so there was no voiceover. So I'm just going to be going over what was when I went over last time, if you could have heard me but you couldn't, which is new pets that are going to be in Prodigy. But before we start the video, make sure to subscribe. Only 9.2% of you actually are. 9.3. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and let's get into the video. So the first one that we have looks like this. It looks pretty weird. It has like a red horn right here, another one right here, red claws. This will probably be a water type based on the colors. This is like more of a coral red and this is blue. So it's probably going to be a crocodile on 4 legs. And then we have this one, which looks very, very cool. This is, I don't know what you'd call this, but so it has the same colored hair, more spikes on the head this time. It actually has an eye. In this one, the eye is covered up by the hair. But here it has the claws, a longer mouth, and other than that, it's pretty much the exact same pet. But yeah, that's going to pretty much end up the video. This is a pretty short one. But as I said before, make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by May, and